How to set up a server for Combat Chaos. First, you obviously have to download the game and unzip it. Then open up the server files and run the server. Now, if you open the game, you will see that you need to type in an IP address to connect to a server. There are two ways of finding the IP address of your server. First, if the server and the client are connected to the same network, you will have to type in the internal IP of the computer the server is running on. You can find this by opening the command prompt on the computer the server is running on and typing ipconfig and hitting enter. The IP you are looking for is the one listed as the IPv4 address. Once you have the IP address, simply just type it in where it says IP address, and don't forget to send the IP address to other people that you want to play with. But once again, this only works if the server and the client are connected to the same network. But if the client is on a different network than the server, say for example you want to play with your friends, you will have to type in the public IP address of the computer the server is running on. To find this, simply Google "what is my IP" and find a website that shows you your IPv4 address, then type in that address and send it to the people you want to play with so they can join too. Additionally, you will have to forward your port so that your router allows traffic from the internet to actually reach the host computer. Port forwarding is most of the times done in your router settings, so if you are not sure how to do this, Google how to port forward and include your router model in your search. If it still won't connect, check any firewalls and antivirus you have because they may be blocking connections. Subscribe.